Regrettably, parts of the mid-north coast are experiencing a 1 in 100 year event, and whilst we don't think things will worsen on the mid-north coast, definitely conditions will continue. So the rainfall will continue across the parts that have already been affected, mid-north coast, central coast, and of course our concern now is focused on the Hawkesbury Valley and also Western Sydney.
The latest weather forecast from the Bureau of Meteorology is forecasting even heavier rains than we had expected in their forecast from yesterday. And so we're working on a number of evacuation warnings to let people know that they are possibly at risk